the Plantain, the Spanish term for stuffed plantain. We have seen a lot of stuffed plantains. In Kozhikode, there's a lot of stuffings are there. But this is way different. This plantain is stuffed with cheese, mozzarella cheese. So it is ui gui, a well-known recipe from Cuba, Portuguese area. So stuffed plantain, don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Jaws, Moses, kitchen. With this recipe, we can make 6 balls. We need 2 pieces of ripe plantain. Boil for 30 minutes. Drain all the water. Transfer to a bowl. While it's hot, remove the skin and mash the plantains. Add 3/4 cup of flour. Combine well. Make 6 balls. Flatten it. At the center, place some mozzarella cheese and cover it. Dust some flour and make a ball. Stuff all the plantain like this onto a hot oil. Start frying the plantain balls. Flip it over. Fry until it is golden in color. Drain all the oil and enjoy the ooey gooey stuffed plantains with mozzarella. A plantain stuffed with mozzarella cheese. It's ready. It's ooey gooey. Let's enjoy and eat. Don't miss out to give me a support by subscribing my channel Jaws Moses Kitchen. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just